Hello and welcome back to another video. So I went to Walgreens a day after I saw everybody scoring a ton of laundry items for 90% off. I actually went to just pick up a free photo and I was pleasantly surprised I actually found something at 90% off. So I found those scent boosters and there was Dawn dish soap, 15 cents. All these items were gone, but I just managed to get the scent boosters for the laundry wash. There was Tide, Arm & Hammer, 70 cents from $6.99. 70 cents from $6.99 again. If you haven't checked your Walgreens, check. You may find an empty shelf, but you may find one or two products that are still there. There was a ton of feminine products too. Just in another aisle, I just thought I'd have a quick look around and I just found these at 90% off. Lunchbox Tupperware containers. It was $4.99, now 50 cents. This one is for soup. I found these emergency gummies, $15.99 down to $1.59. That is a great saving. So I decided just to walk around the whole store and just look out for those orange tags and see what I could find. And these do not actually expire until 2022, so that's even better. And there was Crystal Light, and there was some sparkling waters. Oh my gosh, they had Fiji water, nicest water. Wow. Okay, so thanks for watching that quick snapshot of my quick visit to Walgreens, and I will see you in the next video. Have a good day, guys. Bye.